Hey, how's it going? I'm in the home stretch of the repair of this 6PAR 100 fixture, and I kind of wanted to talk about some of the aspects of repairing stage lighting fixtures, specifically these, and kind of the best practices for that, as well as the annoying, I guess, industry that goes alongside of this. I'll get to that later, but let's get started. So this is a 6PAR 100. It had, I think, dead red and dead UV colors on it, which means all the other colors worked fine except for red and UV for whatever reason. So I'm in the home stretch of the repair. I swapped out the LED driver assembly as well as the actual LED board. Presumably the repair went well. I'm putting everything back together first, then I will try it out and make sure it all works. Yeah, so real quick, I guess, about the industry. This is really interesting to me that it's super difficult to get parts for these. I had to track down parts, but then as soon as I reached out to Full Compass for parts, they sent me a link to like literally Elation's website that had all the parts. So I'm not sure why it's such a hard process to get parts for these things, but anyways, the repair cost, if I were to send this into the manufacturer for an RMA repair, would have actually been pretty much the entire cost of a new fixture, once labor and all that stuff's factored in. And my thought was, if I'm going to repair them, which, okay, so I was sort of against repairing them because I don't want more colors to die, I don't want power supply issues to happen or that kind of thing. So I was kind of against repairing these things initially, but then I was like thinking about it, I'm like, it's still, if I can get parts, it'll be a lot cheaper to repair it myself, so it's obviously what I'm doing right now. I was able to get parts, but the only option of repair was to send it back into the manufacturer. If the cost was that astronomical, that it would be $400 to $500 per fixture to get repaired. Like, that is just absurd. So that is why I'm doing it myself, and here we are. So the other thing is, sorry, I'm getting all these evenly tightened now. I did that one. So repair should be done theoretically. The back screws still aren't in all the way. A lot of these screws are super difficult to get in for whatever reason. I don't know why they make this so difficult, but they do. Got my power con cable. We're gonna plug the fixture in. Let's try it out. I'm really confident in this repair. I do think I nailed this. Just hoping everything works as expected. We'll find out. That was probably the worst time ever for my phone to run out of storage. But we're back on a different camera. So let's take a look here at the fixture. So, like I said, it had some issues, dead red and dead UV. Those should be fixed now. Technically, by replacing this driver board, it should fix all of the colors again. And especially by replacing the LED board itself, that should fix the colors. Yeah, let's just plug this in. We'll try it out. With these fixtures, there's a nice manual test feature that you can go through. So I can go through the menu here. Here's red, green. And I can go through and I can test each color here. So blue, cool white, amber, and UV. So this one is fully back to normal. Now the only concern that I have with this guy, since it's the first one I've repaired, is the temperature. So this thing has a crap ton of thermal paste on the back of it, and I used up all of this random thermal paste that I had. I used up all the rest of that crap on this thing, hopefully to get enough thermal compound on there that it can transmit, that it can just pass the heat through to the cooler into the enclosure of the device. Since these things are fanless, it's super important that you do have that thermal compound there, because that's the only way it can cool itself down. So yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm super excited to see this thing back on its toes again. I've got 13 more of these to repair. So if you want to see a full repair video or something like that in the future, let me know. I can do it. It's not hard. So just so you know, pretty much from, I don't want to say from start to finish, but from what I did today, it was about an hour of work from, I guess the light was pretty much taken apart when I brought it here. It was taken apart already because I was messing with a few things on it, but I mean, it really, in hindsight, it really wasn't that bad of a repair. I'd say once I understand and know what I'm doing, I can probably knock these out in about an hour each. So it's gonna save a crap ton of money and labor too, because Sending it into the manufacturer for repair was like $100 an hour or something labor. It's something absurd. So by me doing it myself, we're going to be saving a ton of money on labor. I can guarantee the quality of the repair is going to be good. This doesn't, I guess, get any warranty or anything extra by me doing it myself. I don't know if it would sending it into the manufacturer. I'm sure there's some kind of warranty that they give you after they repair it. Excuse me, but I can't say for sure. I want to say, actually, I'm going to pull up my invoice here from Full Compass. I'm going to order some more parts as well, but anyhow, I do want to see how much this cost. So for the LED driver board, which is this green thing, it is $58.19 from Full Compass. Was that free shipping? Yeah, free shipping as well. So thanks for Full Compass for free shipping, I guess. I don't know. Anyhow, $58.19 for that. The LED driver board, which is the actual part that we need for all of the lights, is $141.68 from Full Compass, shipped, free, all that stuff. So that's where most of the cost comes from. So essentially, I can say pretty confidently, I can repair all of these fixtures for, we'll say, $200 a fixture with labor and all that stuff. Yeah, so I don't think what I'll do in the future is repair or replace the PCB driver boards. I don't see any benefit to replacing those as well. Pretty much as long as I get the actual LED assembly, we should be okay for the repair. That should cover everything I need, and that should fix everything. Now, a few of the fixtures that we have, I guess I can pull up my sheet here. A few of the fixtures do have additional issues. So one of them's got a bad power supply. One of them's got, this issue, that issue, whatever. So if it's not just an LED color that's bad and that's an additional issue, then I might have to order more parts for those, and that cost of that fixture is going to cost more to repair. But those can also happen down the road. If I can do the easy ones first, I can knock a bunch of those out, get some fixtures back up in the air. And yeah, it's a really solid fixture. I love the 6Par 100. It's one of my favorite fixtures just because of power con in and out, 3-pin in and out, 5-pin in and out, and it's got RDM, it's got red, green, blue, amber, UV, cool white. It's pretty solid, honestly, for $400 or $500, whatever it is. Not a lot of fixtures compared to this. It's not insanely bright, but it really does get the job done. So, solid fixture. I really like it. If you have any questions about the repair, this video, the other repairs I'm doing, if you want to see videos about those, let me know. Thank you, by the way, to, let me pull up this guy's video. Ving Media posted a Elation SixPar repair and disassembly teardown video in June of 2021. Appreciate the video. I didn't take any pictures or anything as I was repairing this, so Ving Media's video, was very helpful to look back at and see a reference, since I didn't take pictures, because why would I do things the right way? But that's about all. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to tighten all these screws back up to how they should be, now that I'm confident the fixture is repaired. So yeah, success. I'm really impressed with these fixtures. They're a lot more intricate than you may think, but I will confidently say, if you know anything about electronics or that kind of thing, I'm pretty confident you can repair this yourself. Or most of these par kind of fixtures are probably pretty simple to repair. Judging by how simple this was, shoot, I think you'll be just fine repairing this. So, reach out to Full Compass. Thank you. I don't know my Full Compass's rep's name. I don't even know if I have one. Thank you to whoever my Full Compass rep is. Appreciate it. You got these things to me real quick. They had a custom order these from Elation and then like drop ship them to me. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.